Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SUNCROWN outdoor grill table with wheels. There are features include ultra-durable, rust-proof design. The outdoor grill cart truck adopts anti-rust materials and weather-resistant structure, anti-corrosion, anti-extreme weather, and supports long-term outdoor use. Upgrade the metal frame to ensure stable load bearing and extend service life. PS, it is recommended to store under the eaves, for further protection in rainy days. Flexible movement, safe braking. The movable grill cart is equipped with 4 360 degrees rotating rubber wheels, including dual braking system, and an ergonomic bidirectional push and pull handle to easily move between slopes/fields and lock position, reducing the workload of heavy hauling. Multifunctional space layout, double shelves plus special seasoning box plus hook, provide classification storage, tools, spices, utensils, meal preparation, and multi-scene compatibility. Barbecue table, pizza table, work table, pot rack. Unique design is practical and beautiful. Full scenario application coverage, indoor and outdoor versatile design, suitable for kitchen, garden, camping, and other scenes, can be used as a dining car, tool table. Bar to meet the diverse needs of party cooking, material transportation, temporary workbench, and enhance outdoor life experience. Easy to install and clean, outdoor griddle come with installation instructions and complete accessories for quick assembly. The smooth surface is wiped clean, and the modular structure is easy to maintain. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.